Today I'm gonna make a paper plane. I gave it a test run last night. It is fantastic and super simple to make. So let's do it. Alright, first what you're gonna need is some Amaro Nonino. You're gonna follow it up with some Aperol, lemons. Then you gotta get yourself some bourbon. Today I'm gonna use some Bulleit.
Do you know the proper way to hold a knife?
What? I thought that was how you do it. What, do I look like an asshole or
No,
something?
I'm just asking.
How this works is it's an interactive thing. I need to know new cocktails to make, so I ask people to suggest in the comments below and give me some ingredients. And then, when I make it later, I'll give you a little shout out. It doesn't really do much for you, but it gets me drunk. And I show you how to make a cocktail if you don't know how to make one.
He's a very strange young man.
He's an idiot.
I drink a lot of cocktails. Thing is I never really watched anybody make a drink before. This is kind of my in there, you know? I can't do that.
No.
Just, that's my way. This
Please
is my...
Stop doing that.
All right, first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna make some lemon juice.
Yummy!
This is probably the hardest thing you have to do, is make this right now. After that, you just make an awesome drink. Got a lot of love for this thing. Chefing. I'm chefing and jeffing. So you've got lemon juice. Now, it's super easy. Everything's equal parts. So if you're a heavy alcoholic, you pour a lot of alcohol in there, and then you match that level across the board.
Hunting Mao! Jeff?
I'm gonna go with the baby boy today. I'm gonna make one drink, make sure it's good, and then that's really it. First thing we're gonna do is our bourbon. Bourbon up. Boom. I'm gonna drop some lemon juice, baby boy style. Boom. Aperol. Little guy. Bang. Nonino. Amaro style. All the way to the top. Boom. 4 equal parts. Let's add some ice. It's another good cocktail movie. Is that anything?
Coyote Ugly.
I feel like you should be taking a shot off my belly or something like that. All right, you see that? Get your frost. Got it? Don't drop it. Seriously, you're gonna spill it.
I got it.
Now that I'm an official YouTuber, you gotta smash that subscribe button and then just hit those comments, you know? And then I'll just see you in there. Like, that's where I live now. So, thanks.